IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Is it always necessary to be polite? Why or why not? Band 5 answer.
I think being polite is good, but not always. Sometimes when people are rude to me, I don't feel like being polite. It depends on the situation.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Hesitant and basic flow. Ideas are clear but not well developed. Lexical resource. Limited vocabulary. Good, rude, situation. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences with some grammatical errors possible. Pronunciation. Clear enough but lacks stress and intonation variety. Typical of a band 5. The answer communicates meaning but lacks complexity and range. 7.5 answer.
I believe it's important to be polite in most situations because it helps maintain harmony and respect. However, in certain cases, like when someone is being unfair, it's okay to be firm rather than polite.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth flow with well-organized ideas and minor hesitation. Lexical resource. Good range with words like harmony, respect, unfair, firm. Grammar. Mostly complex structures with good control. Pronunciation. Natural rhythm and clear intonation. Typical of a band 7.5. Demonstrates flexibility in expressing ideas with some nuance. Band 9 answer.
I'd say politeness is essential in almost every interaction because it reflects emotional intelligence and social awareness. That said, there are rare moments when honesty or urgency might take priority over being polite. For example, in emergencies or conflicts that require direct communication.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, cohesive, and well-structured response. Lexical resource. Sophisticated vocabulary. Emotional intelligence. Social awareness. Urgency. Direct communication. Grammar. Wide range of complex structures with perfect control. Pronunciation. Effortless, expressive, and natural. Typical of a band 9. Fully developed ideas, precise language, and confident delivery. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.